Lafferty. Row 8, Mike DeMeglio, Ant West and Damien Cudlin. And row 9, all on his own, the naughty boy, Hector Barbara.
Yeah, Hector Barbara, if you are just joining us, penalised for an incident this morning, the grid.
The moment of truth is getting closer. Will we have a new 2015 Motogp World Champion? Can the Yamahas match the pace and the speed of the Hondas at the front? Stay with us, because we are about to find out.
329th Grand Prix appearance. It's a new record for a Grand Prix racing. Celebrate by taking the 2015 MotoGP World title.
Lorenzo's leading the side.
He's charging through, but he's gone deep. Jack Miller was briefly side by side. Marquez and Vincenzo, did they almost of them were giving that one up, and it's cost them dearly, and that means now we have been such a start, and now Rins goes up the inside of Marquez. Oh, and Dobbins up the inside as well. 10 left here, and this is as far back as he's been in a long, long time. Dobby up the inside of Miller there. He's up into third. Marquez dry.
Can the Yamahas match the pace and the speed of the Hondas at the front? Stay with us, because we are about to find out.
Semangatkan pagi dengan sari murni.
Wow, sari murni, sari murni. Bentuknya bundar.
Iya, ada osmofilternya untuk sari teh pilihan. Rasa dan aromanya lebih teh. Kontol. Ini teh kantong bundar sari murni rasa umami yang rasanya enak sekali.
Bersiaplah kalian semuanya, akan aku bangunkan. Sahur!
Kita jadi semangat.
His 329th Grand Prix appearance. It's a new record for a Grand Prix racing history. We celebrate by taking the 2015 MotoGP World title.
Lorenzo's leading the sighting lap, and that's a good start as it up towards turn 4. Dylan, track conditions.
Look, it's going to be fine. It is quite hot and humid. It is a little bit warmer than it was in Moto2, but the good thing is this rain that they thought might come has stayed away. That doesn't mean that the teams won't be prepared. There could be a few interesting things with regards to wet tyre choice should they need to switch onto the number 2 bike. However, I don't think we should get into that right now, because as we stand, like you guys said, medium front, medium rear, it's going to be a straight shootout.
Take a big, deep breath at home. Boy, Lorenzo, Danny Pedrosa. A little bit of a wiggle there from Andrea Iannone. And there he is, Valentino Rossi. In there also Mark Marquez. Certainly not sending Christmas cards to each other at the moment. Just to remind you of the situation. Rossi leads that World Championship by 11 points. Will he be crowned the new champion?
The world waits with bated breath. The 20